whole thing through gauze. I planned this part of the wedding. I planned the whole wedding, okay? If you're a girl, you had a lot to do with it, and you don't get to see it. Homeboy did nothing. And because he's a boy, he gets an unencumbered 360 view of the entire service. I'm sitting here in a bridal hurt locker. The girls did everything. Female comic assumes gender role. Fuck yeah. Only women have a bandwidth for this kind of bullshit. She did everything. You're the one that for the past year has been clawing at your mother like it's buttercream, not French vanilla. There's a difference. You're the one doing it. Put the veil. Polygon, my guy. And then when it comes for the important part, be like, do you take this one? Be like, Polly does. Put it back down. He doesn't care. Put a game on in there, man. History. No man's ever gonna be standing there like, I know you can't see this, but I'll tell you what, you're right, peonies were an excellent filler flower. And you're sitting there like, describe it to me. Is my sister here? Does she look jealous? I'm just a humble beekeeper, but one day... What happened to that bride? Oh no, she jumped into that mirror. Want to cover my face. 2 hours in hair and makeup just to be like, all right, let's get to. If she begged me, she's like, I covered my shit, and your grandma covered her face, and your grandpa were a progressive family. He covered his face. I would have.